Now, the WGAL News 8 Storm Team Forecast with meteorologist Ethan Houston.
Get ready for a windy Wednesday out there across the Susquehanna Valley. We could see some strong winds, especially during the afternoon, upwards of 50 miles per hour. And those are strong enough to be damaging. So that's why tomorrow is an impact day. Also could see a few passing snow showers or even some snow squalls, especially north of the turnpike, thanks to an incoming cold front. Now we'll see the winds calm down for our Thursday and we dry back out, but widespread rain moves back into the valley for Friday. And that's what we need. We're now running about 2 inches below average for the month, and it's likely we're getting a soaking rain out there for Friday. Outside right now, skies are still mostly clear. Temperatures in Lancaster are at 30 degrees with a gentle breeze out of the north-northeast. We are seeing some passing high-level clouds out there across the valley, but you can see here on Live Local 8 radar, all is clear. But on the Storm Team Live Radar Network, we are seeing some snow showers off to our north. So some clouds start to move on in. There's going to be quite the range in temperatures overnight tonight. Some spots will see temperatures fall to the mid-20s. Most of the valley will see temperatures hover in the lower 30s, and the winds will start to increase as we get closer to dawn. Winds will be brisk out there. May see an isolated snow shower as we get closer to lunchtime, but better chances for those isolated snow showers, and the strongest winds will come during the early afternoon and early evening hours as temperatures top off in the low to mid 40s. Again, those wind gusts could be up near 50 miles per hour. So this is why we have a wind advisory that goes into effect tomorrow at 8 a.m. and lasts until 5 p.m. So here's a look at the wind gust forecast. It'll be highest during the early afternoon and on into the early evening hours, and then it slowly drops as we get past sunset. In terms of snow chances, overall very low, but they'll be highest right around lunchtime through the evening commute and then tapering quickly off after sunset. Made it to 41 for our high today. The morning low was 34, and the snow is now down to an inch at the airport. But we do have a gentle breeze in some locations, and that is having a big impact on the temperatures. Still 44 for you folks in Chambersburg, but look at Lebanon. You're all the way down to 26 degrees. So temperatures will hover in the 20s and 30s through the night tonight. You can see that milder air off to our west, but notice temperatures falling back up along the Canadian border in northern Minnesota. So it's that cold front that will quickly work its way down from the northwest and push across the Susquehanna Valley midday tomorrow. So the clouds thicken up first, but we're staying dry near dawn. It's once we get closer to lunchtime, may see an isolated snow shower. Better chances for snow showers will be off to our west, along with the threat for some snow squalls. Winds will be whipping during the evening commute. It remains breezy on into tomorrow night. Winds will relax as high pressure builds in for your Thursday, and Thursday looks like it is going to be dry and seasonal with highs near 40 degrees. Then here comes the soaking rain. It may briefly start off as a wintry mix of freezing rain to rain, but by the time we get to the morning commute, it's likely going to be above freezing area wide, and that steady rain will continue to fall out there across the Susquehanna Valley. And I do expect much of the valley is going to pick up somewhere between a third to about 2/3 of an inch of rain through the day Friday. Now we do dry back out, but we still have the chances for isolated showers for your Saturday, with temperatures cooling back down into the mid 30s for our highs. It looks like Groundhog Day is not going to be shadow friendly. Lots of clouds will be out there. Still may see an isolated rain shower or snow shower for your Sunday. Temperatures warm back up to near 50 degrees for Monday.